how to turn on or off Envision Monitor DCR. And okay guys, here in your Envision Monitor, on the back, you can see the joystick and you can adjust or push to the right. You can push to the right and you can see here the Envision settings. And you can see here the luminance. And you can push again to the right, the joystick, and go to DCR. And the DCR is off. Okay, you can push again to the right to turn on the DCR. And push the joystick down and push again to the right to select on. And okay guys, we have successfully turned on the DCR. So if you want to turn off again, push the joystick up and push again to the right to select the off. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully turned on or off the Envision Monitor DCR. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.